Quicklime is a desiccant commonly used to remove water vapor by chemical absorption, and is also used in steel, pesticides, medicine, desiccant, leather, and alcohol dehydration. Quicklime powder ball press is a kind of equipment to press powder material into balls. Quicklime powder ball pressing machine is widely used. Can be quicklime, quicklime powder, hydrated lime powder, and other powder materials for pelleting or ball pressing. The design of lime powder ball press is mainly used for pressing dry powder into pellets. It is a model with high pressing force, good abrasion resistance, and easy demolding. Quicklime powder ball pressing machine is a new ball pressing machine with convenient, economical, and quick design.